My name is Shupi Mapuranga. I run Bliss Creations baking company located at 41 Water Street North in Cambridge. I am a self-taught baker. I specialize in making a variety of modern confections, including decorated cakes, custom sugar cookies. I got started 2017 in June through the summer company program. I didn't have any experience at all with running a small business, so when I had the business idea, the first thing I did was go to the Small Business Center, and I was kind of instructed on where to start, and then that's where I was told about the summer company program. Being able to do these programs really gave me the framework of how to start a business, selling my products, and then also how to grow. So it might seem extremely intimidating at the beginning, but at the end of the day, being a solopreneur like myself, I do everything from the sourcing of ingredients to finding places that I can actually physically go and sell my product, the marketing aspect of it all. So having a support system with you along this journey is extremely helpful and very successful as well.